You tell yourself every night, tomorrow I'll get it all done. But when tomorrow comes, you scroll, you snack, you stall. You're not lazy. You're stuck in a broken system. The lie of laziness. Laziness isn't your personality. It's a symptom, a response. Because your brain doesn't respond to pressure, it responds to clarity. Think about it. You're not lazy watching Netflix for 3 hours. You're focused, absorbed. But try writing that report. Boom, mental fog. Why? Because Netflix is designed for action. Your tasks aren't. The system that fails you. Your system is broken because it expects discipline before it gives results. That's backwards. A good system makes doing the right thing the default, not the struggle. Here's where most people fail. Their tasks are vague. Their environment is cluttered. Their reward comes too late. Example? Work on project is a bad task. Write the first sentence of intro paragraph is actionable. Small, clear, winnable. Momentum creates motivation, not the other way around. Build the anti-lazy system. Here's how to outsmart your lazy brain. 1. Design for clarity. Turn big, scary goals into tiny, specific actions. Instead of get fit, say, do 5 push-ups after brushing teeth. 2. Make starting stupid easy. Reduce friction to 0. Want to write? Open your document and title it the night before. 3. Automate rewards. After completing a task, trigger a dopamine hit. Music, coffee, movement. Your brain needs to feel success now, not in 6 months. 4. Stack systems, not willpower. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. So no, you're not lazy. You're exhausted by confusion, drowning in vague goals, waiting for motivation to show up like some miracle. Stop blaming yourself. Fix the system, and you'll finally move like the person you've always wanted to become.